All right. Welcome back, everyone. We found this really clear, concise guide on how to secure your Word documents.
First, you open your Word file, then you click on the File tab. From there, you go to Info and click Protect Document.
Okay, I'm with you so far.
And then you've got those two options, always open read-only or encrypt with password.
So read only for collaboration, encrypt with password for serious lockdown.
Exactly. It's about choosing the right tool for the job, depending on what you're working with. And then you enter your password, confirm it, and hit OK.
And that's it.
Well, almost. Don't forget to save before you close.
Ah, right. The golden rule. Save, save, save.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive. We'll see you next time.